What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. If you guys can see, we got a urinal that's plugged up here. So we're gonna remove the trap. It's a ABS trap, and we will see if it's just clogged up in the P-trap itself, or if it's actually in the wall. So I'm thinking it's just going to be buildup in the trap. So we took the bottom nut off. Nothing's leaking out of there, so we're going to take the there you go. I guess I'm gonna have to see if I can find a new tailpiece. Right in the face. That's just lovely. Look at the calcium buildup.
Oh, somebody got their hands full.
Huh?
Oh my God.
Lovely, isn't it?
Yes.
Want to trade jobs?
No.
Are you sure?
No, I am 100% sure.
I make good money.
I know you do.
I
know your shit is my bread and butter. Is this the only thing they have you fixing today?
As far as I know.
Do you know where the men's change room is?
Up front?
Yeah, it needs a new tap.
Okay, that's going to be the plumber. I'm just to deal with the drains.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So I'll let them know. I'll let the office know.
Okay.
But maybe speak to Mandeep.
Yeah.
And get him to call it into and tell them they need a.
Yep.
Oh, okay. So they may be sending somebody else to that.
Okay.
When they're dealing with drains, they send me through that company, but
Okay.
it's
No problem.
all right, brother.
I'll let you keep going.
Oh yeah, it's gonna
Have
be
a
fun.
good one.
Thanks. So because this is on my phone recording and I'm gonna upload it to YouTube right away, we gotta kind of do a one take. So let's go get that tailpiece. Hopefully I got a tailpiece. Hoping there's one in here. Okay, so I got a tailpiece here. Well, I guess this is because the camera actually shut off. I pressed a button, one little button, and it's stopped recording. So anyway, I got the tailpiece, like I said. We are going to install this. Goes like that. You gotta give me like 5 minutes.
No problem.
Thank you. Alright guys, I want to thank you for watching. This has been Jay, that Drain Guy, signing out. Until next time, Taragna.